Hello and welcome to my first cooking video. Today I'll be making one of my favorite dishes, Filipino Giniling. The ingredient list is 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 4 small potatoes, 2 medium carrots, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 10 quail eggs, 1 small onion, and 2 pounds of ground beef or ground pork. Start by chopping your vegetables. I like to chop them into tiny bite-sized pieces. Peel your potatoes. And boil and peel your quail eggs. Heat up your pan to medium-high heat and add your oil. When the oil is shimmering, add your onions and your garlic. Stir until the onions are clear. Add your ground beef and chop it into little pieces. While the beef is browning, add the bay leaves, the soy sauce, and the tomato sauce. Cover until the beef is completely browned. Once the meat is browned, add your potatoes and your carrots. And then give it a good stir so everything is mixed in. After mixing, add in a little bit of water. After 5 minutes, add in your brown sugar and give it a stir. Turn down your heat to medium-low, and then add your quail eggs. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes and carrots are soft. You can add salt, pepper, or beef bouillon to taste. Now that you're done, I would definitely recommend putting giniling over rice. You could also eat it with toast. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!